Some people have asked me the exact plants that I used in my small perennial garden bed that I planted in episode 5 of Becoming Artsy, so I thought I'd do a short walkthrough. I used a few ground covers for the shorter plants. A tricolor stonecrop, green with white edges and hints of purple pink throughout, at least when I planted it in late September. Now it looks super purple pink. I'm not mad about it. Gold moss, which is actually a succulent with these tiny delicate leaves, and it doesn't really look golden, it's more of a bright green, at least in my garden. A dark green dwarf Mondo grass, and I thought this was fun because it reminds me of the Mondo grass that we have in the central garden at the Getty Center. So it's kind of like I'm bringing a little piece of the garden home. For my medium-sized plants, I started with these two Purpleicious society garlics, which have the same texture as the Mondo grass, but it has similar colors to the tricolor stonecrop, so that it has like a green and white and purple variegation, which just means that the edges of the leaves are different colors. This was something called an emu bush called Gray Horizon, and it didn't quite survive the transplant. I liked it because it reminded me of sage, and I thought it was a nice size, but I'm probably gonna need to cut it back or take it out. This plant here is called a Bougainvillea, I think that's how you say it, and I see them all over Los Angeles. And I really love this rich purple here, which I think ties in nicely with all of the rest of the purple theme that I have going on. I also really like how the bright green of this ties into the bright green of the gold moss. Last but not least, I have the tallest plant in my garden, a bird of paradise, which has these spectacular blooms that look like tropical birds. Obviously this is not in bloom right now, but I still think it looks nice. This has been a Becoming Artsy Extra. Let me know if you have any more questions and check out the full garden episode on YouTube or Instagram. See you next time.